Hey, Algebra 1, this is worksheet number 9 for SQE. So I'm going to multiply these out. Hey, these are the same binomials, so I'm going to wind up with 25x squared minus 9 because the middle terms will fall out. This one I have to realize I have this twice. If I multiply these together, I'm going to get x squared minus xy plus y squared. These are like terms, so I get x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Number 5, it's going to be done similar, where I have this, and then I have the plus 11. So I'm going to take care of that negative at the very end. So I have x squared minus 1x is minus 2x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1 plus 1. Distribute that over, so I get negative x squared plus 2x minus 1. So that becomes a minus 1 plus 11. So I get plus 10. This answer is done. Okay, for number 7, if I take the square root of both sides, I get a plus or minus, but I get a negative 1. So this is non-real. Okay, number 9, if I wanted to go ahead and do this, if I add the 36 to both sides, I get this. Root, I get x equals plus or minus 6. Don't forget the plus or minus when you take the square root of both sides. This particular problem, if we wanted to solve it for x, this is kind of a goofy one. I'm going to divide both sides by 25 first. So I'm going to get x squared equals 36y squared over 25. Root, so I'm going to get x equals plus or minus, square root of 36 is 6, square root of y squared is y, square root of 25 is 5. So that's a y right there. Okay. Number 13. You might want to ask about this one in class. This is going to factor to 4x minus 3 and 4x minus 3. Okay, if you factor it correctly, you might want to ask about it. Then you're going to go 4x minus 3 equals 0. Add 3. Divide by 4. Done. You could list it twice, but there's no reason to. Number 15, this one looks like it factors x minus 2 and x minus 2. It's equal to 0, so each of those equal to 0. So you have a single answer. You could list it twice. This is also a special case, so you get 9y minus 2 and 9y minus 2. Again, they're still equal to 0, so let's just set one of them equal to 0. Add 2, divide by 9. There's your answer. You could list the answer twice if you wanted to. Number 19, let's see, factor out a greatest common factor first. So what I'm going to do basically is I'm going to divide everything by 3. Okay, and I think that's just maybe as far as we can go. Maybe we'll find out here in a second if we can go further. That's 20x, and then 3 goes into 150. 50 times. Oh, we could divide one more time by 2, so I guess 6 would have went into all of them. We get x squared plus 10x plus 25. So that's going to factor to x plus 5, x plus 5. It's equal to 0, so you get x equals negative 5 for an answer. 21, let's see. I can factor out a 5 and an x and a y, and that's going to leave me x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Ooh, yikes. You might want to ask about that one in class, see how your teacher wants you to solve that. From number 23, looks like I can divide everything by 2, including the 0. So that's going to give me 9x squared plus 24x plus 16 equals 0. And this is going to factor to 3x plus 4 and 3x plus 4. So I'm equal to 0. Solve one of them. So you're going to subtract 4, divide by 3. And you guys can ask about number 25 in your class. Have a great day. Bye-bye.